Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today we're going to take a look at the new wallpapers that I have on my screen. So from time to time, of course, I like to change the Windows theme. This always is nice to have new pictures. So here is the Windows theme that I've chosen, which is nice. So here are the pictures. You see here a cyclist. Next desktop background, you have a beautiful picture of the night sky. We have another one here. It's called a moment in time or something like that. We're going to go and check it out in the Microsoft Store. So these are the pictures that are in the background. A lot of people always asking me where I get all the desktop wallpapers that I have. They're always themes that come from the Microsoft Store, and there are some really beautiful ones in there, as you can see. So this is very, very nice. And here it goes. Really feels like this one. Feels quiet and nice. So these are really beautiful pictures that you see here. So how do you get this wallpaper or this set of pictures? You go to your settings. Go into settings. In the settings, you go to personalization. In the personalization, you will go, of course, and check out themes. So you see the themes that are installed. So it's Take a Moment, the one that I installed here. So what you do is you click Get More Themes in the Microsoft Store. Once here, you will see that coming here. It is Take a Moment. So it's somewhere near here. And let me just re-find it where it was. Here we go. Take a Moment, the one here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you actually will go to the page. Well, okay. And you click Get, and then you click Install. Make sure that it's there and it's installed, and you apply it. Once that is done, once you go back, you will see that it's available. All you have to do is double click on it, make sure that it applies to your computer. And for a few extra changes that you want to do, you can go into Colors and either keep the way it is. So right now is default Windows mode is dark, but app mode is light. You can change that if you want and have dark everywhere. Make sure that you go into automatically pick an accent color from the background, which always makes the borders of the windows a little better. Make sure that it applies to Start taskbar and the title bars for the Windows borders. And once that is done, you will have your wallpapers on the computer. One little thing also about the wallpapers, by default, they are meant to change every minute. If you're a gamer, this could actually be something that stutters some of the gaming. So when you go to the personalization and go into the background, change that to whatever time you want. I like to actually put it like 1 hour so that every hour I get a new picture rather than every minute. And so this is going to be your background for now. So check it out. And it's nice pictures, once again, from the Microsoft Store. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.